Hari Om. In this video, we are going to discuss what are command line arguments in C# programming. In our earlier classes, we have seen how to pass parameters to methods of a class. But what if you want to pass values to the main method of your C# program? If you want to pass values as arguments to your main method, how it can be done? That is what we are going to discuss in the video. You can send arguments to the main method by defining the method in one of the two different ways. One, if you are going to return an integer, you can pass the arguments which will be always a string data type, or even if you are returning a void data type, you can pass again arguments to the main method by by defining a string array as an argument. Observe here, it is an array of strings in the main method which is passed as a parameter to the method. So the parameter of the main method is always a string array. So your arguments will be always a string array. This string array is the one that represents command line arguments. If you want to determine whether arguments exist in your program, it can be done by testing the length property of this array. This is very important. The length property of this array inside the main method will describe whether you have passed any argument to the method or not. For example, if you check args.length equal to 0, it says there are no arguments passed to your program. So if you are processing any of the command line arguments, and if it says the length of the arguments is equal to 0, obviously your program will be returning an error. So you can return it with an error code saying 1, 2, 3 depending upon the application. Observe here always, if the value returned by the main method is 0, then it is successful completion of the program. If it is non-zero, it is having an error in the execution, and the non-zero value represents the error code of the program. Let us see some demo programs so that you can easily understand what are command line arguments and how these arguments can be passed. So let me take you to the first program. This is the first sample program. I have using system, using directive, always using the system namespace, and I declare a command line argument demo class. I am having a main method. I pass a string argument which will take or retrieve all the command line arguments that I am going to pass, and I simply check whether the length of the arguments is equal to 0. If so, I display a message saying that there are no arguments passed. Otherwise, I am going to display what is the length of the arguments. It says how many number of arguments I have passed, and I am going to display the arguments one by one. So this is a very simple program, and remember, all of you have already studied the command line arguments in C, C++ as well as in Java. So I am just browsing through how command line arguments can be used in your C# program also. So let me take you to the terminal so that we can execute this program and understand how the arguments are to be passed to this main method and what will be the output. I go to my C# programs. C# programs directory, and let me open the command line arguments. Okay, so this is the program we were discussing. You have the arguments passed, which will be retrieved in the args variable, and I check what is the length of the args variable. If it is equal to 0, there are no arguments passed. If it is not equal to 0, I am displaying the length of the arguments. Then I am having a for loop to display the values of the arguments. So I start from index 0 to length of the arguments, and I am using args of I to display each and every argument that I have passed in the method. So let me execute this program. I am going to execute this program. I compiled this program, as I told you, using MCS. And now I am going to execute this program. I have not passed any arguments, so it says no arguments passed. That means I have to pass the arguments in the command line. This is the command line to execute my program. In the command line, I have to pass the arguments. How do you pass the arguments? I will be passing the arguments separated by space. These are the arguments which you call as command line arguments. I am passing them in the command line while executing the program. So when I press enter key, you can see here I have passed 6 arguments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arguments, and it is displaying the values of each and every argument. If you want, you can give some other values like so it is giving you a syntax error because these are some of the wildcard characters used by the Linux operating system. Observe here, I have passed 4 arguments, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 values are also displayed here. I will show you another program which will be finding the sum of the command line arguments that I am going to pass. So let me open the program now. This is the program that displays the sum of the command line arguments. Observe here, again I have a main method and I check what is the length of the arguments. If it is equal to 0, I say no arguments are passed. Otherwise, I am going to display what is the length of the arguments, and I am declaring a variable sum with value 0. Then inside the for loop, I am going to display the argument also, and I am going to convert this argument, whatever argument I have passed, because since it is a string argument, I have to convert it to integer. Only then I can add the values. So I am converting it to integer and I store it in a variable val. Then I am going to find the sum. When I am going to convert, suppose if you have passed values instead of 10, 20, 30 or 1, 2, 3, you have passed a command line argument as A, B, C, D, some string itself or some characters you have passed, it cannot convert it to integer. By the time it will be raising an exception. So that is why I have given it inside the try catch block, and if there is an exception, I say it is not an integer, so unable to add. If it is successfully added, it is going to display the sum of the command line argument. So what it will do, only the integer values will be added to the sum, and if you have passed any character, that will be ignored. Let me run this program now. I am executing the program without passing any argument. I am not passing any argument now, so it says no arguments passed. Now I am going to give 4, 5 values, and it shows how many arguments are passed, what are the arguments, what is the sum of these arguments. Suppose if I am going to pass observe here 6 arguments are passed. The first one is 1, so it has added. 2 is also added. When it comes across A, it says it is not an integer, so it is unable to add. B is also not an integer, unable to add. C is also not an integer, unable to add. And D is also not an integer, unable to add. So it has just summed up 1 and 2, and the result is displayed here. This is a very simple program that shows how a command line arguments can be used in your C# program. Thank you.